Hey, what is up guys? This is Craig Duelschmidt back at it again with another video, and today I'm here with Greg Coolschmidt, and we are going to be doing a Minecraft survival world today.
Hello, I am Greg Coolschmidt. Oh, this is a pretty good world we have started in.
Yeah, so, it's been a while since I've really played hardcore Minecraft, so I think I'm just gonna kind of go and
yeah, you should punch
some trees,
Yeah. I think that is a good idea. Oh, you got a new recipe. What is that?
What? Oh yeah, charcoal. So
we got to find the sheep so we can make a bed.
One important thing that I've been meaning to tell you guys is that next video we're going to be planning on making a creative world, and we're going to be building your comments. So
that will be very fun.
Yeah, if you want to go.
Oh, there is a sheep. There is sheep.
Yeah,
sheep. Go sprint.
Yeah.
Kill it.
Die, you stupid thing. Oh god, it's really laggy.
Craig, you are my idol.
Thank you, Greg.
Craig, you're ass at this game.
Hey, no swearing on this channel.
Oh, I'm
Craig.
sorry. You are just not very good.
My main audience is like 7-8-year-olds, so can't be doing that.
I'm sorry.
Alright.
There is lots of sheep here. We could do a 2-player world if we needed to. There is enough sheep.
Yeah. Come on. Get over here, you stupid thing. Alright, so we've got a nice start to this world. We've got some food to start out with. A little bit of wool. Oh wow, there's another sheep over here. Screw that pig.
This is actually a very good start. I've never seen a start this good. We should build a house soon though.
Yeah. Dang, even more sheep. What is happening?
It's because I put in the very good seed. I did the good seed,
Okay.
You know the very good seed?
Yeah. Yeah, that is a giant tip that I really recommend for you guys.
Pro crafters pick up on it after a while. You gotta learn all the different names for the good seeds.
Yeah. Once you have a good seed, it's a really great way to help yourself out. Get a nice start into the world. Game. I really apologize for the lag. I don't know what's happening, but I mean, the game's still functioning, and that's what it's all about. Sometimes you just gotta endure those hardships,
All pro Minecrafters will know that you have to go through hardships to get to the Ender Dragon.
Yeah.
It's a tough journey.
It's all about persevering through the struggle in this game. It's really. There's a lot of stuff that happens to you during the game.
Oh, there's a swamp.
Oh wow, what is this?
This is cool. Alright, we should build a house soon. You should craft some wood planks.
Yeah.
Alright, you have to open your inventory to do that.
I'm aware.
Alright, I'm sorry.
God, this is my channel.
I'm sorry.
I do not accept your apology. That's the other thing with the crafters. You need to know when to assert your authority over another person.
I'm sorry, okay?
It's a really key.
I'm sorry.
It's a key aspect of the game. You need to
accept
know.
it. Accept my apology
need to
now.
Know when you're in power.
Accept it. Accept it now.
Fine. I accept your apology, Craig.
Yes.
Gosh.
That is what I wanted to hear.
I apologize. I'm having trouble remembering your name. Probably gonna need some more wood, because I'm building this house kind of big. I always like to live in luxury in this game, and that's what we're gonna do right here. Look at this. This is really... Oh god.
You're terrible.
I'm awful at this.
You're terrible.
Alright. Well, you know what? That's what the concept of breaking blocks is for, guys. Oh, we need a door. Well. Again, that is what the concept of breaking blocks is for. It's why it's in the game. So, if you worry, or if you mess up, There's no need to worry. You can always
Alright,
just
don't
break
worry
it
about the
again.
sheep. Don't worry about the sheep. Go for the
Yeah.
wood. Sprint.
Oh, yeah. Alright, well, our house might be kind of ugly to start off because we're going to be using different types of wood.
That's
But
okay.
that's okay. I mean, it's the beginning of a survival game, and sometimes you just need to get things done. I for sure am really excited to be uploading again on YouTube. I haven't uploaded in a while, and I'm excited to see if any of my subscribers actually still care. So
If not, I will send my Ugandan warlords to eat them.
yeah. Don't worry though, that's just a joke. I won't do that.
It is not a joke. Okay?
Um.
You disrespect my friend.
Hey. Greg.
I'm sorry.
Chill.
I'm sorry.
So, if you are watching this video,
Assert authority.
please leave a like and comment what you want to see me do. Along with what you want to see me build in my next video. We're gonna be doing a creative video, and like I said, I'm gonna be building stuff.
Build in your comments.
Yeah. So, there's that. If you want me to continue showing you guys this survival game that I'm starting, also, if your wish is my command, so.
Should we do a face reveal at
No,
250,000?
No, my mom doesn't freaking want me to show my face on YouTube.
Oh,
How many
I'm
times do
sorry,
I have
I'm
to
sorry,
tell you,
I'm
Greg?
sorry. Shut up! You take that back. You talk to me with authority.
Alright guys, so we're going to be continuing to build this house.
I will call the Dean on you.
I promise that, Greg will not be returning for the next video.
Hey! Why would you say that? Why?
Greg, you're kind of interrupting the flow of my video.
No, no. Take that back now. Take that back.
No. But anyways, guys, Greg does not have a YouTube channel. You can probably see why. And
Hey.
So, I mean, I was gonna say go like dislike all of his videos or something like that, but I mean, there's no YouTube beat to
This is unacceptable. You do not talk to me like this. I'm leaving. Bye. I will see you later.
See you later, Greg.
I will see you
Greg.
later. I'm never
Greg.
coming back. I'm never coming back, okay?
Bye. Oh Lord, I did not think that would hurt me, that fall from that distance. But you know what? Since I'm not hungry, I just regenerate that health. Yeah, that Greg guy is kind of a character. He's got a good heart though. Really means good. Means well. So hopefully this will be enough wood to finish off my house. Should be. And maybe make a crafting table.
I'm back.
Oh,
You
already-
still think
whoa,
I
whoa,
shouldn't
whoa,
have
what?
a YouTube
What?
channel?
Oh,
You
oh
still
my-
think I shouldn't
oh my
have one?
gosh.
This is. Do you see what is in my hand? This is a knife. You do not.
Oh my lord.
You turn
He's
that
back,
off.
folks.
Turn that
Gosh.
off.
Oh my.
Listen to me. You listen to me.